Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine with the grace of God. Sitting at home and learning from home is little difficult. Don't feel sad. Cambridge International School Daswa is here to help you out at this time of crisis COVID-19 pandemic. You are facing any kind of difficulty? Don't feel shy. We are here to help you. Let us know all your doubts and we are here to help you out. Myself Rita from Cambridge International School Daswa and your political science teacher. Today I am going to teach you chapter legislative which we have started earlier, and topics I would be covering in this video will be how does the parliament make law. आज एक ही टॉपिक करेंगे कि बिल कानून कैसे बनता है. We will cover till page number 113. So legislative. Before going to further, let me recall the previous topics. Legislative. Legislature क्या है? Legislature is a very important organ of the Indian government system. It makes the law. Then other organ implement the law and take decision according the law or to enforce the law. But legislature is here to make the law. Legislature is a law-making body of the government, and success of democracy depends upon the efficiency and effectiveness of the representative legislature. जितना अच्छा ये कानून बनाएंगे, the whole system depends upon the legislature. Now, how does a bill become law? This will be our one question only that we will write and learn today. This is a full chart of how bill become law. See, people's input, then committee's report. You can see, proper. Please read and observe this chart proper so that you can clarify it and how bill becomes law. Then house may or may not accept the report. Then detailed discussion होती है फिर उस bill पे एक house पे. Then bill accepted or rejected. Then sent to another house for the debate or for discussion. Then other house approves or give or recommendation. Then joint session भी होता है इधर से, और फिर अगर नहीं होता joint session, then bill will pass to the president for its approval, and this is how bill become law. Now we will detail study for these things. Law making procedure, bill draft of the proposed law. Beta, whenever you will write this question in your copy, now you will draw this beautiful flow chart. Types of bill: government bill, private bill, non-money bill, money bill, ordinary bill and constitution amendment bill. कुछ बिल छोटे होते हैं, कुछ बिल बड़े होते हैं. Now, government bill, a bill proposed by a minister. Private members bill, a bill proposed by a non-minister. जो गवर्नमेंट बिल है वो सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट मिनिस्टर प्रपोज करेंगे. जो प्राइवेट बिल है वो मिनिस्टर के अलावा अदर कैंडिडेट कैन ऑल्सो प्रपोज. Now different stages of law making. First, debate of the need of the bill. Political parties, interest group, media and citizens forum actively participate in the discussion. जब कोई बिल पेश होता है खूब डिस्कशन होती है. बेटा आपने भी देखा होगा टीवी पे नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स दिस काइंड ऑफ डिबेट एंड डिस्कशन फॉर द बिल. जैसे कि अभी CAA पास हुआ है ना, तो पहले वो बिल नहीं था, ओनली एक्ट. देन डिस्कशन हुई थी और उसके बाद वो बिल पास हुआ था CAA. Resources required for to implement the law, the support or opposition that the bill is likely to produce, the impact that law may have on the electoral prospect of the ruling party, etc. are considered. ये सारी चीज़ें देखी जाती हैं, सोची जाती हैं. Then preparation of the draft. बेटा the same content you can get from your book, page number 113. Department preparation of draft. फिर एक draft बनता है बेटा रफ सा. तो गवर्नमेंट बिल इज़ प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द कंसर्न्ड मिनिस्ट्री, और फिर फर्स्ट रीडिंग के लिए बिल इज़ इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन द हाउस ऑफ मेंबर बाय द मेंबर ऑफ द हाउस. कोई भी हाउस का मेंबर उस बिल को इंट्रोड्यूस करता है हाउस में, लोकसभा या राज्यसभा में. फिर कमेटी स्टेज. अ लार्ज सेक्शन ऑफ द डिस्कशन ऑन द बिल्स टेक प्लेस इन द कमेटीज. कमेटीज आर रेफर्ड एज मिनी लेजिस्लेचर. लेजिस्लेचर बहुत बड़ा कानून बनाते हैं ना, लॉज एंड पॉलिसीज. तो मिनी लेजिस्लेचर जो होती हैं वो उनका सिर्फ ड्राफ्ट टाइप बनाती हैं. सेकेंड रीडिंग. बिल इज रिटर्न टू द पार्लियामेंट आफ्टर मॉडिफिकेशन. उसको मॉडिफाई करके उसको कुछ एक चेंजेस करके देन बिल इज सेंट फॉर द सेकेंड रीडिंग इन द पार्लियामेंट भेजा जाता है. फिर वहाँ पे बहस होती है. मैनी टाइम्स यू हैव सीन इन द TV चैनल ऑल्सो, राज्यसभा लोकसभा. Now general discussion. Parliament discusses the various aspects of the modified bills and make needed changes. Then bill forward to the third reading. Final form of bill is presented and voted upon. फिर उसके ऊपर थर्ड रीडिंग के ऊपर फिर वोट होती कि किसको ठीक लगा किसको नहीं. Then next we can add in the stages of law making bill in the other house. उसके बाद bill दूसरे house में जाता है where it goes through the same procedure. Assent of president और उसके बाद president की assent के लिए president के signature के लिए bill होता है. In the second house also, if the second house also passes the bill is presented to the president for his assent, the bill becomes law. Sometime what happen, joint session होता है. ये joint session क्या है? Joint session of the parliament is like disagreement between two houses. लोकसभा राज्यसभा में किसी बिल को लेकर झगड़ा हो गया on the proposed bill, resolved through joint sitting. फिर वो joint sitting करते हैं. The joint sitting of the parliament is called by the president. Article 108 में लिखा है and is presided over by the speaker. अच्छा, make one thing clear here कि joint session में bill passed in joint session, Dowry Prohibition Bill 1961, Banking Service Commission Bill 1978, Prevention of Terrorism Bill 2002. Bill not passed in joint sitting, Women's Reservation 2008. ये आज भी अभी pending पड़ा हुआ है. Now further we have discussed all the stages of the bill कि bill कानून कैसे बन गया. पहले first reading, then second reading, third reading, फिर उसके बाद कौन से house में गया, फिर उसके बाद फिर last में डिस्कशन के बाद पार्लियामेंट में डिस्कशन और डिबेट के बाद प्रेसिडेंट के सिग्नेचर के लिए गया. एंड दिस इज हाउ बिल बिकम लॉ. The whole content you can also get from your book, page number 112, 113. And this is your homework today, to read and write this question. Describe the law making process with the help of beautiful chart and full stages you have to write. And finally आपको एक heading बनानी पड़ेगी, how bill become law, president के sign के बाद. Don't forget to read the cartoon side by side, my dear students. This is for the day today, and we will meet in our next video with the next topic from same chapter, legislature. Till then, goodbye and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you. Thank you.